Hi everyone, David here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back for another video, or welcome if it's your first one. Thanks for coming. How's it going? I'm still waiting to get out of rainy season here. I'm recording this in kind of mid-July. Rainy season's kind of held on for quite a while this time, but maybe by the time you watch this it's going to be middle of August or something. So today I'm going to be talking about Tennoji one more time. You might remember a few weeks ago I made a video about Tennoji, about whether it's worth visiting or not. So hopefully if you decided yes, it is worth visiting like I did, then you'll be wondering how to get there and how to get around. So this is what I'm going to do today. Tennoji Station, JR Tennoji Station is a very big station. It's on the JR Loop line. It's kind of the southern hub of the Loop line, and it is kind of where a lot of trains change because there's a lot of lines going through here. So very convenient for traveling, especially around southern Osaka. You can also get to Kansai Airport fairly easily. So I'm going to cover all this stuff, how to get around Tennoji Station. Shouldn't take too long, but please like this video if you like this sort of stuff. Comment, leave a question, anything is okay. I'd like to hear from you. Subscribe to the channel. I'm making this kind of stuff a bit more often now, so if this tickles your pickle, then let me know so I can do some more. And also share this channel to people who don't know about me and are coming to Osaka soon. So I'm going to hand over to myself. I'm going to do a bit of narration and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so let's kick things off at the central gate. This is the main exit from the JR Tennoji Station. There is one more gate, I'll look at it a bit later. But most roads lead through here, and you'll find the Midori no Madoguchi, which is where you can reserve tickets and things like that. Go to the travel agency, there's a currency exchange there too. If you're feeling a bit peckish, there's a convenience store in here, kind of an extended one with souvenirs. You can even get a rikuro cheesecake. And at the end of this rather large platform concourse, you can go up the stairs, which will take you to a large crosswalk. Doing a bit of a U-turn, you can see the Mio Tennoji. This is the main Tennoji building, and Mio is one of the kind of shopping malls that's on top of it. Also from this crosswalk, you can get direct access across the road to the Aba no Harukas, and there's a big department store inside there too. As you might know, the Harukas is the second tallest building in Japan, opened in 2014. It's got art museums, it's got a rooftop observatory, all sorts of stuff. Also from here you can see the Hankai line, which is the very old tram line, which can take you to Sumiyoshi Shrine. And also going a little bit further, you can get to Q's Mall over in the distance there. A nice mural on the side. So Q's Mall is a nice convenient mall to look around, very compact, lots of shop opportunities, including Uniqlo. There's a pretty big Uniqlo, I like going here. There's a Disney store, a little bit rare, and various other restaurants and cafes and things in the basement, so go and get refreshed down there. Now back on the main station concourse in Tennoji Station, you can get some gacha machines, but keep going and you'll eventually get to the North Gate, which will dump you out on the street next to this fairly old-fashioned, like original downtown area. Looking a little bit run down now. You can see some greenery in the back there. Let's get a better look from the crosswalk. You can see Tennoji Station there. And looking west across the street, you can see this large park. If you're interested in the trains, you can see those too. But you can see Tsutenkaku in the back. But this green area is called Tenshiba. This is formerly Tennoji Park. It's been recently refurbished. It's got everything. It's got restaurants. It's got a nice park area for picnics. A little bit hot during the summer, but very pleasant. It's got a few more restaurants. It's got Tennoji Zoo as well. It's closed on Mondays though. Nice big sign for you to post your Instagram pictures in front of. And going a bit further, there's the Museum of Fine Arts, and also some nice kind of parkland. There's a big pond, Japanese style pond, and even some stalks if you're lucky. Going back into the main concourse again, you can also go down into the marché. There's a little supermarket down there. But going further down, you'll end up with this large underground shopping area. A little bit old-fashioned, but nice and quiet. And another set of stairs down, which will take you down into the subway. So this is one of our connections to the metro. This is probably the best way to join onto the Tanemachi line, which will take you to Osaka Castle if you want to. Now there's an escalator in the concourse too. This will also take you to the subway. This is the Midosuji. This is the best way to get into the Midosuji line to Namba and Umeda and Shin Osaka. And looking across there, there's the Ekimo underground mall, which takes you all the way to Q's Mall again. Now next to the escalator, there's the Mio shopping area I talked about. But going right through there, you can get to the JR East Gate. This is another exit. I think there are only 2 exits from JR, apart from a few weird underground ones. That's the other side of Mio there. Now from the East Gate, you can go downstairs. You can find another way to get to the Midosuji line. I think the Tanemachi line's down there too. And going outside, you can see in the shadow of the Abe no Harukas, you can reach this large building which houses the Kintetsu station. This is the Osaka Abenobashi station. This I think has the Minami Osaka line. This will take you down to places like Yoshino. This will not take you to places like Nara, so please be careful which Kintetsu station you're going from. Next to that also there's a nice little shopping area, Hoop, which is just across the street from Q's Mall as well. Some nice cafes around here. And underground you can see under the Harukas there's the Kintetsu department store and also the elevators for the top of the Harukas. Now let's go inside the station now. There's a lot of different lines we can take to various places. Kansai Airport, the Loop line, and various other ones to Nara, Wakayama, Shirahama Beach as well, and a few more Loop line ones as well. It's a bit of a mess, but follow the signs. I'm going to take you down to the Kansai Airport line platform, so you can catch the Limited Express Harukas or the regular one too. But please be careful of which car you get onto. There's a big sign here. So the first 4 cars, 1 to 4, will take you to Kansai Airport. The bottom 3 will take you to Wakayama, which is not where you want to go if you're catching a flight. So please be careful. So number 7, that's no good. That's going to go to Wakayama. Number 3, that is fine. You can go to Kansai Airport on that one. There are other various lines here, including this really crazy discordant chime. Yeah, a bit of a mess. So let's get back to my home. So I'm going to take the Loop line. This is the anti-clockwise interior Uchimawari route. So make sure you know which way you're going around. And I'm going to cool off with some cold steam. Cold steam, does that make sense? And thanks for watching. Hi, thanks for staying all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. So hopefully you'll see that Tennoji is not such a complicated station. You might have known that I did a little while ago, I did Umeda Osaka Station, a walkthrough, which is a lot more complicated. There's a lot more spread out, and there's yeah, definitely loads of exits. So yeah, Tennoji is a lot easier to navigate. Like I said, you can get to Umeda fairly easily by the Loop line or the Metro Midosuji line. You can get to parts of Nara with the Kintetsu line and various other places in southern Osaka. You can get to Kansai Airport very easily. This is one of the stops for the Haruka Limited Express, which you saw in the video, the Hello Kitty one. And it's fairly close to Shin Imamiya as well, so if you're staying around there, then nice choice. To be honest, I don't really rate Shin Imamiya as a good place to stay, even though the hotels are really cheap. They are really cheap because the area is a bit rough. I'm sure there's some nice hotels somewhere, but generally speaking, if you want to stay in southern Osaka, Tennoji might be a good place. I did make a hotel guide a little while ago too, so please check that out. That includes Tennoji as one of the places. So there we go. I hope you kind of understood what I was trying to talk about in this video. Please leave a comment, a question. If you have questions, please leave a comment anyway, because I feel lonely. Please like this video. That would help me a lot to get the algorithm to start noticing me again. Also, what else? Subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot, and also share this video to people traveling in Osaka soon. That will help them too, and it'll help me too. So there we go. If you have any special requests about other stations you want me to look around, then let me know, and I'll check it out too. So take care, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.